Here is showing the solution to the conduit cutting problem. In this view, I've added a filter that shows conduit that is less than 10 feet, right here, and that the lines will be colored red. So we can see that there's a bunch of conduit here that's over 10 feet long, which is too long for the assembly, and we want to get this to 10 feet. What we have here is a temporary family that's used to get a cutting plane for where we want to cut the conduit. With Dynamo Player, we select that face, and then we select items, select the conduit, hit play, and the conduit are chopped up as needed. As long as this plane is intersecting those conduit, that's where the splits go. We can even do things like select a whole pile of conduit this way with the control key. And the plane is still the same. Run it. And here it is chopped up. You see it's not red anymore, so it's less than 10 feet. We can see here the length of the conduit. It's about 10 feet there. And then conduit in this direction. We have another temporary family here. It's just there to get the cutting plane. So I change here, select cutting face, pick this face, select those conduit, hit the run button, there we go. The next thing to be added could be maybe a little bit of QC, make sure that the operator doesn't select anything besides conduit. Right now there's no error checking in it. And that is it.